Okay. Oh shit. Excuse me.
I got a good jack in the garage, though. Heavy jack. Okay, solid metal. Okay, I'll take it off. Yeah, I'll see where it is. You want to sell this trailer? No, he just bought that trailer. Okay. On the way, bought it. Just bought another boat too. Okay. Y'all like brothers. Yeah, that's my brother. No brother. Put that Cadillac converter.
I got it, bro.
Okay.
I got you, sir.
I got a Cadillac converter. I didn't know what those things were. I like this trailer.
Yeah.
This trailer, yeah, I like the rail around it. Yeah, we had a bunch of hot water heaters in last week. Started air conditioning, and this one guy come over and got it. He took forever.
Oh, you ain't got to worry about that no more.
No, he took probably like 2 weeks.
Oh, you ain't got to worry about it no more. Just let me know. I'm coming to you.
He had to have a big old kid around, a big old long tail, long tail.
Yeah, I when I seen what was in the picture, I was like, we could do it with the truck. I just left the scrap it.
One time he said he redid it, sold it. I'm like, oh Jesus.
Oh yeah, I just scrap everything.
Yeah. That one thing got a bunch of coffee in there down.
Yeah. Them units, you gotta shave them down. You gotta actually break it. Did you see my YouTube channel?
Yeah, my little old you gotta break it down.
Yeah, you gotta break it down.
You want to put the big ones at the back first, and then put the little ones on them?
Like $6 for every $100. So you just sell these air conditioners. You gotta have you gotta be certified through the church. Yeah, that's how I got my secondary recycling license.
We just some beef.
Sorry, help him get that one right there.
I got it.
Just call me. I got it.
I'll just see the picture, you know what it is.
Okay.
Hold on, load this jack.
I'll come and give it to you and pay you for it all. So, and if you feel generous some days and just say come get it, you can have it, then I do it that way too.
Well, you said $30, so you had to pay some guy to bring it in.
You got to ask for 100 or do I have to cash out? Okay.
Because I got to position it just in case we go get some more.
When you get through doing that, you just cash out so you can cash out.
Hold on. You said leak right here?
Yeah. That bring it to the store.
Because he gonna have to lift it up.
Use your dollar. That's what you got to do.
The dolly?
Yeah.
You need a dolly?
No, you need it.
Easy on. This one of those jacks you start on the cart if you lift.
Okay.
Smoking.
Okay.
You probably got 5 pressure washers. I don't know what all this
You on it?
Yeah, you want me to push back and we bring you to the train?
Yeah, push it back.
Okay. Yes, sir. If he's standing straight up, you stand that straight up, bro.
With like sideways?
Nah, I'm stand that straight up. Just stand it straight up, yeah.